Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So this is sociology discussion in which we will discuss sociology, which is an optional subject of UPSC. So sociology we will discuss one topic on daily basis and we will upload a video for that. So today's topic for discussion is first topic is first unit of sociology, that is evolution of sociology and modern Europe, and first topic that is evolution of sociology and modernity and social change in Europe. This thing. Another topic will be Mr. Singh would like to
Another topic will be sociology. Its unit name is religion and society, and its topic will be sociological theories of religion.
Okay, so I'm going to start with the first topic, evolution of sociology.
And you have, I think, limited time of
okay,
some
yeah.
minutes.
From now onwards, we should set time within 5 minutes only we can speak. Okay. So first of all, so evolution of sociology.
Yes.
So there are various scholars who give its evolution. Earlier there was a dark phase, then then there is a scientific context, intellectual context developed in Europe, then dawn of modernity come, and then there are some changes took place, social change, economic change, political change. Then there are certain challenges arise, social changes, economic challenges and political challenges. And in order to quest for those answers, with some scientific context and intellectual context, emergence of sociology took place.
Okay.
So there are three phases basically, which play important role in development of sociology. Is like intellectual development, and second is material and social development, and third is the political development. Intellectual development refers to the ideas, intellectual ideas given by the Adam Smith, Ricardo, economist idea, politicalist idea, organismic evolution by Darwin theory of biological evolution. Similarly, there are some sociologists like Comte Spencer Durkheim, who was the earlier sociological school of thought, or earlier sociologist who established sociology as a scientific discipline. So these are some of the scholars like Tocqueville and Darwin, Irving Jacquelin, T. Bottomore, and so the material and social development refers for the industrial development which took place in England, specifically machinery, the steam engine, and various machines, industrialization. And the social development which happens due to this industrialization is like migration toward the urban areas and a new form of labor, production shift from home based to the factory based production, and small nuclear family, domestic conflict also arises, violence and divorce rates also increase. So these are the social development, poverty and poor living conditions. So this is the social development. And then the political development also took place in the form of like French Revolution ultimately, which lead toward the liberty, equality, fraternity ideas. And political development, some political ideologies also developed, just like Marx gave the theories of capitalism and socialism and advanced communism. So all these factors together form the base of establishment of the new discipline, that is sociology. And some modernity also arise in Europe. That modernity which we know after the Dark Ages is like questioning the tradition, freedom of thought, expression, innovation, equality, living in equality in all spheres of life, and secularization, industrialization, rationalization, urbanization, and new political concept like nation states. Earlier there was feudal states, now there are nation states where all citizens are equal. In feudal state there were classes, like in French there were three classes, top were clergy, then noble, or third one the serf one, and the upper two rule on the basis of the hard work of the third one. So new political concept like nation state, democracy and bureaucracy, these things arise. So in order to understand all these changes and why this upheaval is happening in society, why new concepts are arising, so development sociology took place.
Okay.
So next time I will going to discuss only with the help of the keywords. We will have just that frameworks of keywords.
Yes.
That set, and so that we can discuss fast, because rest of the story we can write around that.
Yes.
Okay. And if we need, then we can explain also.
Okay.
Your topic, sociological theory.
Now, sociology and
while listening to me, you were like listening to me carefully, or you were revising your concept?
Initial 25% of time, I was just blank. I was thinking, listening to you also, and then thinking somewhere. Then after 25 minutes time passed, then I focused to just listen to you. What are you saying? Then I thought, by this way, my revision should also happen. So whatever you are saying, I was matching that with my knowledge, and I found it. Yes. So basically, I was doing revision while listening to you, while carefully. And one two time I thought to ask question also, but I will ask from next time. Oh, yes. So, religion and society.
First say this is the topic of sociology.
Hello friends, this is the religion and society. This is unit of sociology and
Which unit? Unit 8?
sociology paper 1. Unit number 7 or 8. 8 I think. Okay. And topic is sociological theory of religion. Okay. So because sociologist work is to study the society and its various institutions. One of the major institution is religion. So various studies happen to understand what is religion, why it happen. So there are various sociological scholars and thoughts which give various explanation for the religion. So broadly we can categorize these theories into two categories. On one side, when it is associated with the religion, is associated with the logic, where logic is the base, and other side, religion is associated that it is based on the emotional feeling. So one is called logical explanation, one is called this emotional explanation. In logical, there are some theories. Two of them are like this emotional ghost theory, Spencer's ghost theory, and Spencer's ghost theory. And in this side, emotional theory like there are emotional theories like Taylor's animism theory, है ना?
Taylor animism is come under emotional theory. I think there are two subdivisions. One is logical, which is called intellectual theories.
Intellectual theory.
Another is a psychological or emotional.
Psychological or emotional.
Intellectual theories, there are many scholars, but main are Spencer's ghost theory and Taylor's animism theory. These are intellectual, related to the ideas.
Yes.
Ideas, thinking, human being.
Yes.
Second factor talk about emotional concept,
Yes.
emotional fear. That was
Yes.
religion generated. That is Malinowski's. Malinowski, like fear of something. Malinowski and Max Muller's nature's myth.
Max Muller's nature's myth. Yes.
Malinowski, what was? Malinowski's. This is Max Muller's nature's myth. Like Malinowski is like fear related. Ghost, not ghost, fear.
Emotional stress theory.
Emotional
stress theory of Malinowski. So these are mainly four theories which I will explain here. And
don't need to explain. Do you know about these in detail?
Yes, I know.
A little bit also.
Their main idea I will tell you. Main idea is.
But your word actually while speaking, although it also comes under effective public speaking. When what we are speaking or words should be properly structured.
Yes.
In less word we can say more things. So that structure was missing. You are thinking intellectual. So when it comes to writing, also you will use then vague words or long sentences to explain the simple thing.
Yes. So I think this is the first step in right direction.
Yes.
And 4 years in this journey of UPSC preparation of mine.
Okay, this is the first
So
step.
I will improve. I will work on that.
Yes.
Next time
So
I will work on.
vocabulary, since we started to communicate
Even-
with different students,
Yes.
we know its value. Otherwise,
It's
you have to
valuable.
write long sentences to saying the same thing.
Yeah, and that will not give us value.
Yeah, in
And
especially
respect.
means also, right?
Yes. So first is Spencer's ghost theory, in which the basic idea is people people thought there are two lives. One is when normal and one when they sleep. When they sleep, then they saw their self in the dream. So they thought there are two lives, one life and one is afterlife. And then they associate, because in the sleep, in the dream, they also saw that thing, their ancestors. Okay, so their ancestors. So they thought their ancestors, we should worship their ancestors. Okay, so sorry, I don't want to actually.
You want to revise?
I am little bit hesitating.
Hesitating for speaking truth or speaking false? No, actually, I also read these two things, Taylor animism and Spencer ghost theory. Many times I become confusing both of them. In one thing, I was
Taylor
thinking, is
animism
it Taylor animism or is it?
Taylor animism, I am completely clear. It is not this. Taylor animism says that people see in everything anima. Anima means spirit.
Spirit is there.
Spirit is there in everything, including hills, river, trees,
Yes.
and in everything.
Yes.
So they revert to this anima, respect this anima, है ना? And this Spencer's ghost theory is they saw dream. In the dream they meet and whenever they saw dream they saw their ancestors also. That's why they worship. It is related to that thing.
So worshipping to their ancestor lead to worshipping the ghost, lead to worshipping to the deity or
Yes.
god.
Yes.
So in this way development of the religion took place.
Yes.
That this theory says. Animism theory ki humans are everywhere, anima in all natural living thing.
Yes, and we should respect all these things. So
Spirit. Okay.
yes.
And one factor also there he found it's this anima or spirit more tensile, more stronger as compared to the original one.
Yeah.
And he felt whenever is this alive, whenever he's waking, spirit live with him. Whenever he sleeps, spirit go outside.
Yes.
Something like that's why we saw people things in dreams
Yes.
because at the time spirit moves.
Yes.
This thing also.
Yes. This thing also.
But I generally remain confused and literally I read.
No, confused.
Many times.
I don't have.
I need to do one day sit and read. Now this make them diagram. This is the difference. Okay. Taylor Max read.
Malinowski's
Yes.
what is
Emotional
Malinowski's
stress
emotional
theory.
stress theory? It says that because these are emotional theory, they were based on logic. Ki we saw spirit and
Logic
this.
is different. I think they were based on the intellectual ideas related to the mind. Mind is thinking something.
Yes, thinking they
It's
thought.
not logic
But,
is something
but
different.
here they are just fearful due to fearful. For example, Malinowski emotional stress theory. When people are fearful, they just do worshipping of that thing. For example,
No, it's not fearful. These two theories are called psychological or that thing. Emotional theory,
stress,
है ना?
yes.
Stress, emotional stress. So Malinowski's theory was emotional stress. Emotions based theory.
yes,
Malinowski says whenever
He
human
go
are
for
sundered-
hunting,
he hunting,
uncertain about food,
marriage,
and-
hunting, marriage, childbirth or death. These
Death.
are some of the points where these are some of those points where human fears, है ना?
And-
एक stress आता है. In order to curb that fear, in order to increase the solidarity or confidence, they do some rituals before
Yeah.
going to fishing and
Yeah.
during marriage and during birth, during death ceremony rituals.
yes,
Because fears associated with or emotional stress associated. It's not necessarily fear is only a specific emotional
Yeah.
stress. There may be hatred, there may
Yeah,
be joy,
yeah.
there may be excitement, there may be down.
yes.
Similarly, Nature Smith. And Nature Smith fear is there. Fear from the
Oh,
rain,
yes,
fear
yes.
from the fire, fear
Nature
from the storm, fear from
storm.
the flood. Now there is a fear component is there.
Yes. So this is fourth theory. So these are religious, sociological theory of religion.
There need to be conceptual clarity on your side, plus appropriate wordings in order to prevent from writing this thing and write. Okay. Start survive.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned with the IAS 3. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.